Hello guys. If you are trying to check how many minutes you have left on your track phone and are unsure where to find that information, do not worry because the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people use their track phone regularly and suddenly wonder how many talk minutes remain, while other times the balance feels unclear and people want to avoid running low unexpectedly. Since checking remaining minutes on a track phone can help you manage calls more smoothly, learning the right process can make everything feel much simpler. The good part is that with a few quick steps, your Tracfone minute balance can usually be checked in just a moment. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to see how many minutes you have left on Tracfone. Try these. Step 1. Open the Tracfone phone and make sure service stays active before checking balance details. Step 2. Open the Tracfone app on the Tracfone phone if account information is already connected. Step 3. Sign in to the account linked with the Tracfone phone if minute balance does not appear automatically. Step 4. Check usage or balance details connected to the Tracfone phone and look for remaining talk minutes. Step 5. Use balance checking options available on the Tracfone phone if app information feels unavailable. Step 6. Review the Tracfone phone account again and confirm remaining minutes display correctly afterward.